I want candy.
Get it quick, close the window.
Yeah, Michael!
What? Oh no! Okay, am I gonna hit anyone?
Bro, get off of me! You help me.
Oh no! They better not get
You want
rid
some
of-
candy? Yeah. You want some candy?
You got some candy?
Yeah.
There's no razor blades today.
Okay, what's this?
Hey, yo, wait. Hey, yo, drop one.
Oh,
Okay.
that was hilarious.
Good thing there's no
Bro,
more
I want.
killers.
Yeah, I
Bro,
don't think they can go in now.
Bro, I was.
Crazy said that. Look who's walking in.
Oh shit.
I just recorded them.
well, look who's walking in. I just had it.
Who's walking in?
Jason Voorhees.
Oh, heck, stop.
Ah,
He's pulling on the door handles. Oh, no.
He just breaks the door handle and then gets in the car.
We gotta make it completely silent. It's gonna be funny. Yeah, we
We
gotta.
gotta play loud and scary music so that way they don't see it coming. Oh no. Ah! My. Sir! Am I allowed to hit my car like that? What the fuck?
Ah! You scared me. What's that smell?
Soap.
I swear to God, if they pull the door.
Bro, my stickers!
My stick.
Shut up! Close the window!
Mom, what else? Mom, when I get a car, I make you sit in the back seat and we go through going. That's what I got. What the fuck? No! Bad. What can I say except you're welcome?
Watch your six. Watch your six.
This is goofy, bro. This isn't even scary. What the
He said roll down the window! Right there! He's really trying to open the door. Oh, hell no.
I'm gonna choke.
I did not like that level.
Oh my gosh, that was great.
Wait, it ain't over till it's over.
Oh no.
That leather face was
Definitely not
scary.
back from my car here.
What's that?
Holy! Not that scary, bro. Bro, it's not even that scary. Well, Hey, I got free candy though.
That was
Roll down the windows.
I did not like that leather face.
That was scary.
That kind of scared me.
They were really hitting the window.
I get offended because I feel like I might have a mark.
Yeah, here you go.
I know, I was like, is this a trap? Like, are you gonna actually? You should have told us so we would have found the candy.
Auto 2.